Hi, it's Sarah from You Floral, and today I'm going to talk to you guys about what is in a DIY floral package. So I get asked a couple of questions fairly often, so I thought I would come on here and explain to you guys how these packages work. So you can see behind me is a collection of flowers, and that's from our Mirth and Meadows packages. So what happens when you order from us is we put together a collection of flowers which we think will make up the vision that you're going for, and we put that together in a package. We then ship it directly to your house from one of our warehouse hubs that are all across North America. If you are thinking, this package looks great, but I don't like yellow, or I don't like pink, or there's a flower I must have, you can always just make your own package. So how you do that is you could use the package that we have as an example, kind of take a look at the number of flowers we're suggesting you need to make those items, and then just swap it out by using our bulk greenery and flower section. So an example would be, if you really don't like yellow spray mums, you could go and swap them out with orange spray mums. The other question I get asked fairly often is, what if a package seems almost right but isn't quite right and I need a little help? Well, we're here for you guys, and you can always shoot us an email, or if you really want some tailored one-on-one attention, you can book a design consult with us. On our design consults, we'll schedule a Zoom call with you, and we'll go through your Pinterest board and answer any questions you have, and then actually make a recipe for you. So what are these DIY floral packages? Well, they're flowers and greenery that we put together that we think will look great. So we always are going to have some greenery, which is in this case some podocarpus, parvifolia eucalyptus, and some ruscus. We're always going to have a really big shabam flower, this case roses and ranunculus. We're going to have some flowers that add some nice height to it. We've got stock, status, and snapdragon. And then we're going to want some filler flowers, genestra, waxflower, and spray mums. So that's kind of the short and sweet of how we make a floral package, is by kind of combining flowers from those different discrete aspects of the floral realm and putting them together into a one-stop click that you can just click the button and you have all the flowers that would make something similar to that vision. So hopefully that gives you guys a better understanding of what a DIY floral package is, and thanks for watching.